Hello, it's Nick, and in this video I want to show you a free alternative to Midjourney. This tool is called Ideogram, and it's a text-to-image generator with an easy-to-use interface. Apart from the input field for a prompt, it allows you to choose the style of your imagery and change the aspect ratio. You can also remix generated images by applying a new visual style. A new style will be applied to the generated image. I will test this tool for 6 common tasks. And the first task is generating realistic images. The prompt I submit is realistic photo of a young woman. Like many other AI image generators, Ideogram generates a set of 4 images. When you look closer to the images, you will likely notice that 2 out of 4 images have visual defects. For example, the first image has a problem with eyes and fingers, the second has a problem with hair, the other 2 images don't have any visible defects, and the last image looks very crisp. But overall, the level of realism is average compared to Midjourney. Next is creating an illustration. One great thing about Ideogram is that the tool generates all images in different visual styles. Unlike tools like Firefly, which basically creates a set of similar images, Ideogram varies the style, so you can choose the illustration you like. Looking closer, and you will also notice that some images have minor visual defects. For example, broken heart in this illustration. The last 2 images are decent, and I particularly like the last image. Let's see how Ideogram can generate logos. I intentionally mentioned that I wanted to see my image on a white background, because it will be easier for me to remove it and turn the image into a vector. Unfortunately, the tool ignored my command and used a gray background for all images. The quality of logos is okay, but nothing really special. Next, let's create a graphic pattern that we can use as a background for a web page. Even at a first glance, all graphics the tool generated are not good. They have misalignments for visual elements and extra noise. We can't use such backgrounds without modifying them in Photoshop. Ideogram can help generate images with text. All images that the tool generated have human-readable text without any gibberish. However, some images have minor visual defects. The last image misses one word. Lastly, let's see if we can use Ideogram to generate images of famous people. Tools like DALL-E are very censored, so it's impossible to use them to generate images of famous people or mascots. Surprisingly, Ideogram was able to generate an image of Elvis Presley. But as you can see here, all images have visual defects. Problem with hands, composition of elements, etc. Let's summarize the pros and cons of Ideogram and start with the good things. It's a free-to-use AI image generator that allows you to generate images with text. And it even allows you to generate images of celebrities and mascots like Mario. At the same time, the level of realism of images is average in comparison to other AI image generators. Many images have visual defects, such as problem with hands and visual noise. The prompt accuracy is also not very good, meaning that the tool can ignore some parts of the prompt you provide. Overall, I would say that Ideogram cannot replace Midjourney, but it can be helpful when you need to use AI image generator and don't want to pay for it. Let me know what you think about AI image generators in the comments. Thank you.